So here's my latest find from the thrift store, a leather coach planner from $19.99 for $2.99. It was clearly never used, so I decided to buy it and turn it into a 6-ring planner because that is the type of planner that I really prefer using. And I did wash it and disinfect it. I kind of like made some marks on it, but I really don't mind. It gives it more character. So what I did was I ordered these mechanisms from Amazon, from Moturn, and we're gonna put this on and see how it works. It came with 2. I only need 1, but you know how that goes. So basically, I have to puncture the holes in there and just get these to screw on. So what I have from other projects is this double cap rivet tool. And what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to mark, well, actually I'm going to mark with pen where I'm going to lay this out. And then with this, I will show you how this works to puncture the actual leather. So Amazon does have other mechanisms that you can actually buy that come with all the little tools, but I really didn't need it. I figured this should work. So let's get this going. With the gold mechanism centered, I just made marks with the regular pen to know where it is that I have to punch the holes. So now I'm going to use this tool, and this is the cutting area there. I'm going to place it over, and with a hammer, I'm going to really give it some hard hits there, but this has to be under to protect your floor. If you can't get it right under, you know, you just go for it. Now, I'm not gonna do it here on video because this table is a little shaky. So see you in a second. That actually worked out really well. 2 taps with my regular hammer and it came out. I probably even needed 1 tap and it's still in the tool there, but it's fine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it, see if it works and how well it actually comes out. Okay. So you do have to actually unscrew these. And I know that the holes that I punched are a bit smaller, which I figured is a good idea because these will probably fit in there tighter. If I can get it in. Let's hope. Let's hope this works. All right. I know this. Oh, nice tight hold. Here we go again. Total chance that that cutting tool was a good size. Okay, here we go again. A little pressing. All right. Nice. There is no top and bottom there, so. And if there is, I'm clueless on it. Here we go. Oh, I'm excited. See, just a little planner, what it does for me. So I do have a current planner. I won't even tell you how many, but sometimes you just want to change. Sorry, it cut out there, the video. Anyway, I decided to use this screwdriver just to finish it off. And it totally worked. And it came out awesome. Has that look in the back. Other planners usually, or I think don't have this, but whatever. This is definitely my own custom little planner. Hope you like this and I hope it helped you. And in the description below, you'll find the link to these rings if you're interested in these. Thanks for watching.